Come here, bestie. Let me show you how to make this cute little bag charm. If you got 6 beads, a hook, and some yarn, you can make it. It's super easy, beginner friendly. My husband bought me a few purses for my birthday, so I wanted a cute bag charm to go with my denim purse he got me. Isn't it cute? And so I thought pink and sparkles go great with denim. Pink and sparkles go great with anything. Anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Tongue tie. Get your 6 beads on your yarn and just tie it in a knot so that the beads can look like a circle, just like so. So this is what your work should look like. After you tie your knot, insert your hook inside your bead circle, and then you're going to chain 4. And then after each bead, we're going to do a single crochet. So after this first bead, I'm going to put a single crochet, chain 4. Next bead, single crochet, chain 4. And you're just going to repeat that same thing going until the very end. Okay, so I'm on my last bead. Once you chain your 4, you're going to go after that bead and do a single. Okay? So now we have the inside of our flower. Now this first chain 4 that we started, we're going to put a single crochet. Okay? And then we're going to pull up 9 loops. Okay? So I'm going to go in to the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over. So that was once, twice, 3 times, and we're going to do this until we get to 9. Yarn over, make sure your hook is pointed down, and we're going to pull through all of those loops. It might be a little difficult, but make sure your hook is turned down. That makes it easier. Once you've pulled through, we're going to yarn over and pull through that loop, like so. Then we're going to do in this same space a single crochet, and that ends your petal. Then we're going to go into the next chain space with a single crochet. Again, pull up your 9 loops and then a single crochet into the next space. And you're going to do that same thing all for each space. So again, single crochet, pull up 9 loops, single crochet, all in the same chain space. Then go to the next space, single crochet, pull up 9 loops, single crochet, all in the same space. Repeat that until you get to the end. Okay, so basically now your flower is done. Right here where we started, we're going to do a slip stitch. And then right here, we're going to make our handle. So we're going to chain 35. Once you chain your 35, you're going to go right here where you started from, and you're going to do a slip stitch. Chain 1. And cut your work. Sorry for rocking the camera, you guys. Pull through, weave all of your ends in, and here's your bag charm.